Hi, today in front of me Vivo Y16 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. First, let's open the box. Here we can see the SIM jack tool. Let's open also this box. We can find and see here the quick start guide, the safety guide, and the warranty card. Also get here some stickers, the USB Type-C cable, and the charger brick, Vivo original one with all of the specs. So that's it, that's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.